Hello, my name is Stephanie Case. I am a wedding photographer and an online educator based in Columbus, Ohio. And I'm really excited to just show you around my apartment downtown. My husband and I recently moved here and it has been super awesome just to live downtown and to experience the city a little bit more. So I wanted to give you guys a little walkthrough of each part of our space and what we absolutely love about our apartment. We have a little one-bedroom apartment. I believe it's around 900 square feet, but it's pretty much just perfect for us. And where we're at right now, we have a dog, a sheepadoodle named Ember, and she lives here with us. And this is also where I work from home full time. So if you want inspiration either on city living in a small apartment, or on how to set up a space to work from home when you don't have your own home office, this is going to be really great for you. And you're going to find a lot of inspiration. And I'm really excited to share all this with you. When you first walk into our apartment, you come to a little foyer area. And this is where there's like a little closet on the right hand side. We have on the left hand side, there's like a mirror and a little, these little hooks. I actually got this little love, y'all you just love in a dog, these little hooks in high school, and I still love it. And as you continue to walk in, on the right hand side, I actually have a little section that I made for basically for my dog to hang all her leashes and her collars and stuff, keep it all in one place and keep it organized. That has really helped a lot. As you keep coming in, you can see on the right-hand side, there is my desk, and this is where I do 90% of my work every single day. So this is where I get things done. I have my laptop, and this is where I do a lot of videos, etc. So this is where I am working, and it's kind of, as you keep going, you can see how we've kind of separated it a little bit from our main living room space. So our living room space, we absolutely love it. We got our couch from West Elm. We got our rug from West Elm. We got the cocoon chair from World Market. I'll have everything linked down in the description if you want to check any of this out, but I absolutely just love our little living room. It is the cutest thing ever. As we keep walking, we actually have right by our living room, we have this mirror that we got that I absolutely love, and we got it from World Market. It is one of my favorites. And then as you keep going, you can see our mug collection. We counted, we have over 50 mugs. It is crazy, but we love it. And we absolutely love this little hutch to put our mugs in and to display them. And as you keep going, well, one, as you probably have already noticed, we have a lot of plants. We have a lot, but they're awesome, and we absolutely love them. The windows are one of my favorite parts of our entire apartment. They're just, oh my gosh, especially being a photographer, I absolutely love them. And then we have our kitchen, which is the best. We got these little step stools that we put in front of our counter, and they're just really nice to have more seating for when we have people over and hosting and stuff. And the one thing that I also love about this apartment is our kitchen sink. It is huge. Comment below and tell me what part of our apartment that you like. And as always, I have links to everything as much as I can think of down in the description. But if I miss anything, feel free to let me know. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, because it helps to support my channel and just to see what you guys like seeing from me. And hit subscribe because I upload 2 new videos every Tuesday and Friday. I can't wait to share more with you guys next time. Bye guys.